All right, there's our car. Now what do you see? That's our car. This is our cart. We just came out of Target. All right, so what do you see? First you see a red car, and who do you see coming next? Who do you see coming next? You see a gang-stalking police who gang-stalks with the reds. All right, so Alright, so this is a pattern in government gang stalking. We're gang stalked by people using red cars, red trucks, wearing or carrying red. Our radicalized neighborhood watch groups, Dick Cheney radicalized them, and the neocons in the Bush administration, and our gang stalking police. Now, you just saw in the news that the chairperson of the Senate Intelligence Committee sold stock, didn't tell the rest of you what was going to happen to the economy, but he knew in a meeting, got this information, and sold stock so that he wouldn't lose money. So in other words, this is kind of like insider trading. All right, so now this guy is the one that's responsible. His name is Richard Burr, for investigating government gang stalking, exposing government gang stalking. That's the purpose of the Senate Intelligence Committee, of the House Intelligence Committee. They're supposed to be our watchdogs. And what are they doing? Insider trading and allowing this to go on. Police, red cars, red trucks, people wearing or carrying red. Well, might as well go in my car. I've been gang stalked.